This video details how to generate an Adobe online form in the Acorn toolkit. For those wishing to submit forms electronically, we generally recommend using our mobile format rather than our Adobe online forms. This is because you must use the Adobe Reader application to submit Adobe online forms. This can cause some confusion, as the PDF reader that comes built into your internet browser may not submit these forms correctly. To see the video that details how to generate mobile forms instead, click on the card at the top right corner. Log into Acorn. Cursor over the Forms menu and select Adobe Online Forms. This will take you to a page for creating your form. If your organization uses sites, select the site ID that this form will be used at. Select your clinician ID from the drop-down list, or, if you're an admin, you can leave this set to all to create a form that won't have a preset clinician ID. Enter a client ID, or leave this blank and you can fill it out on the form later. Now, select which form you want to use and hit Go. This will create a PDF copy of the form that you can have your client fill out on a computer. You should download this file to your computer so you can be sure you're opening it using the Adobe Reader application. Now open that PDF file using Adobe Reader, and you should be ready to have a client fill it out. Feel free to submit some test data to make sure that it's working. Just use a dummy ID and let us know afterwards so we can remove it for you. You should be able to instantly see any forms you submit electronically if you navigate to the Forms Processed page located in your home menu. I'll detail that more in the next video, which will cover the final step, viewing your data.